kemalai kubur nado punya mesni. Maka jangan kan jong uslap menin kasih kesan tarik jemang arajar arusau. Kemudian kat lu maka jeng ter jong upria rengkat ke jeng bek kartep jong ke area. Kalau nak ke jeng julor jika bun Tylli ki ying kesem. Antai Shnong ke tahu kontup lu ki art li Skul bat le ke ki Īingmane. Kijing kenjing dia ke belai alum nak sarkar di kabal air usikila patai khabar ki yathu maki brio ki basa Ktah akan di kejungan ketep jangkal air mak ufria kilong hadu khandai sma sop khandai ngun tagi Shnong ki basa Ktah kilong arf khandai Tylli bat ki yilong ying ni ki ying ki basa Ktah kilong hadu saus pa frapulai Tylli nakalang ka State Disaster Management Authority kaya tu ba amtam bakal ajing kenya nelum jing kenya ka jingjot jing ying kisam ya ka jing syak penjot jing Shnong ki thaw bakam juru ya ka jing Ktah ya ki pajma kala pharu ya ki bri jong ka ani ya ki bri jong ka sarkar bele yarap akaleng keleng ki Shnong ki basa Ktah dengan ka jing shop jing ki board jong ka Mariang ka jing yarap olong ba penggerak ya ki bri ki pat ki jaka anta ka jing rap ki ten man shop ki yeng ki basa lien bat ki de ki la jing yarap. Menteri kata revenue bak disaster management ubak kerman selau le tu bak sarkar nak kapor ke jumaha me ki brio bak ki jing ja ki bak kumkini bagi dapat fikir bak menyadari di kanaman lain nak ki jing ma ki jing masa bak juru ke jak penjat ki
That as I used to mention from time to time. No doubt the message and the alert and the warning has been sent from our department the moment we receive this the warning from the IMD, which is India Meteorological Department. So as soon as we get it, we forwarded it through SDMA, SE, OC. We issue this warning and then send it to all over, district, so that the needed, so that the concerned deputy commissioner will take the necessary step to inform the public. And we have sent thousands and thousands of messages and then the alert message so that people will be alert. So for this, number one is that what I feel the most important is that we should take care of ourselves, especially whenever we receive this kind of message, we should be alert. Otherwise, it's very difficult, to take care and then to guide individually. But it's just that if they really work together with us, and I believe that we can, save loss of life.
So what